Now let's look at EM in detail. There are now 3 types of EM available: EM2, EM3, and EM4. EM2 inhibits harmful microorganisms and accelerates zymogenic decomposition of organic matter. EM3 synthetically transforms foul-smelling substances in excrement into useful substances. EM4 is mostly lactobacilline. It suppresses the organisms which cause putrefaction and accelerates the zymogenic decomposition of organic matter. These 3 types of EM are beneficial to human beings and animals and can be used to make fermented foods. Mixed with livestock feed, they reduce smells, improve digestion, promote the health of the animals, and enhance the quality of the meat. Let's see how EM is used in animal husbandry. First, we dilute 1 liter each of EM2, 3, and 4 with 200 to 300 liters of water and spray about half a liter per square meter of the solution over the floor. The solution is then sprayed over the walls and ceiling and into the drains and purifying tanks. When it's hot, this diluted EM solution is sprayed once a week. When it's cooler and the odor level is lower, the solution is sprayed every 10 days. Stench from the drains falls off in the 2nd week of spraying, with a clear reduction apparent by the 3rd week. The scum on the surface of the animal waste in the purifying tank is softened, making it easier for the waste to be sucked up. Pig excrement can be deodorized in about 2 weeks. And the excrement becomes good compost in about a month. This compost is ecologically beneficial to the soil, improving its aggregation characteristics and its ability to absorb air and water. Treated animal waste can be used as liquid fertilizer, which avoids discharging it into rivers and helps maintain the quality of local rivers. Now let's look at facilities which dispose of organic matter from the farms. These facilities were constructed with support from the government, the prefecture, and the city.
この施設の特徴、有効微生物を使ってトンプン量の悪臭を緩和し、畑地へ還元するシステムです。そのために環境的にも大変改善され、周辺の住民にも大変感謝されております。畑地の土壌中の微生物も活性化し、作物へ大変有効だということが実証されております。環境改善にも大変有効な施設で、今後このような事業を各地に広めていきたいというふうに思っております。
This is what livestock and poultry farmers who use EM have to say.
豚舎から出てきてもそのまま外に行ってもですね、臭いと言われるあれが少ないですね。自分だけのことじゃなくして周囲の皆さんのことも考えるとですね、この微生物軍団とってもいいもんだと。微生物群をですね利用して水肥でも何にも使えるんですね。皆さんが多く知って使えれば一番いいことだと思っています。こんな声しないと思います。
衛生的に上等もであるし、豚舎の病気も少なくなっている感じにいたします。
豚舎というのは非常にアンモニアガスが発生して有効微生物を使うことによってアンモニアガスが非常に抑えられると。特に呼吸器系のくしゃみの回数が減ってくる。
鶏舎内に散布するとですね、ガスの発生が少なくなってですね、かなり健康状態も良くなったと思います。
もう住宅が密集して、もうこれではいつまで酪農経営できない難しいなと思って、新しいそういう微生物群を利用することによって近所とかのそういった環境的にもいつまでもここで安心して酪農経営にできるなというそういった感じがあります。微生物群を使うようになってから堆肥でもこうして匂いしても匂いはしませんし、もうニコニコして話しながら撒いてます。
EM improves the health of cattle and poultry, rids farms of obnoxious odors, and protects the environment. It's one helper a farmer can really depend on. It also helps save water, which in water-short Okinawa is a major plus. It's particularly important to use water efficiently when supplies are limited. Most people in Japan use one source of water, water from the mains, for just about everything from drinking and washing and bathing to flushing the toilet. However, it would be far more efficient if they used water from different sources according to purpose. Gushikawa City Library provides a good example of this conservation technique, one which has attracted a lot of attention. As a way of coping with the local water shortage, the library installed the world's first EM water purification system, which uses anaerobic zymogenic and synthetic microbes to break down organic matter in the water. Wastewater from toilets and sinks is collected in the first tank. 1 part EM to 10,000 parts water is mixed in every 3 months. In the second tank, EM breaks down organic substances, releasing water and carbon dioxide. In the third tank, water is further purified to a standard suitable for drinking. However, this water is actually used for flushing toilets and watering the garden. Wastewater BOD is reduced to less than 3 ppm, about the same as a clean stream in nature, with no harmful microorganisms, such as E. coli, detectable. A further advantage is that no chlorination is necessary, so the purified water can be used for watering plants, as in this rock garden where there are even alpine varieties. Here's what the head librarian had to say.
汚泥がほとんど発生しておりませんし、電気量も24時間稼働しているものが現在3時間で十分ですし、水道料金に至りましては 年間120万円が現在年間6万円で十分であるということで、非常に期待しております。沖縄の水事情を考えれば公共施設やリゾートホテルへも波及していくものだと考えております。
As you've seen, EM is now widely used by livestock and poultry farmers. It has produced better community relations by ridding neighborhoods of the obnoxious odors caused by farm animals. It helps recycle resources, since it can be used to convert animal excrement and wastewater into good quality compost or liquid fertilizer. As part of water recycling systems, EM also has a lot to offer public facilities, since it saves water and is highly economical. EM, or effective microorganisms, can be used not only for agriculture, but for many other purposes as well. EM comes from the soil. We learned a lot about it by studying the soil. It's a natural way of revitalizing the soil, improving crop yields, purifying and recycling agricultural waste, and ultimately saving the earth.